Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
It's going.
Right. This is an unboxing video of the Coleman 246D 3-burner stove. This 3-burner was purchased at Gemco in about 1979 for $39.97. This stove is dated September of '79. Not sure if I can get that on there or not. All right, September of '79. So the tape is still intact on the back and on the front. I want to zoom in there a little bit, or we can go in close there and take a look at that. So that's still on there, aged quite a bit. Then there's the marking, the 426D. All right, let's get right to it. Now, let me go back one on. All right. So there's the protective paper. That's all these are packed with. And here we are. Have the tape here still and here. Go ahead and move in here and get a look at that. So there's the tank. This is the typical tank that came out in the late '70s. It has the filler right here, which rests against the stove, so you're not tempted to refill the tank while it's lit. And it looks like there's a warranty card in here. Go ahead and move that tape. Let's see if there's anything else in here. And the fuel tank is dated June of '76. And it has just a little bit of light surface rust, which is common right there. Okay, that's it for the paperwork. All right, that's it. All right, so after poking around a little bit down in here, found the instruction book, which I knew was missing. Okay, there you have it.